Ayan po ang ating sponsor for today, Tito Dikong. O, ayan na. Tito Dikong.
Tara pa, Diyos ko. Hindi na nakakalon.
Bye-bye. Alis na po ako bukas. Alis na po. Alis na po ako bukas, Tito Dikong. 18 kilos.
Look guys.
Bonggacious.
Look at the chandelier.
Ayan. Ayan yung main cabin natin, guys. Ayan, hi.
There is one more hidden thing which you will not see if you want some privacy and a peaceful mind to do something.
We do something like what?
Smoking. In a peace. Here.
Pwede ka mag-picture taking dito.
Yeah, just look at the. You see?
Bongga.
You can just see. Take the picture and relax.
So, andito po ang kapatid ko, guys. Anong ginagawa mo, Kat? Ano yan? Nagbabaldog.
Naguulog ng barya.
Dami mo namang pera. Saan mo galing yung mga barya mong yan, no? Kadami naman yan. Anong nakalagay? If it is for you, it will come. Follow the path of success. Ay, follow the path, process, and direction of God. Hello, John. Wait mo. December 24, 2024 to December 2027? May plano ka mag-ano ng 3 years? What are you gonna do with the money?
Travel.
Mag-travel daw. So, ayan guys. So, nag-iipon-ipon siya ng mga coins niya. Ang dami mo namang coins. May mga ipon-ipon siya, oh. Mga 5-5, 10-10 piso. Kailan mo kaya mapupunaw yan? Ha? Kailan mo mapupunaw yan, Kat? Malay mo naman.
2 years.
Kailan mo pa ni-start yan? Ha?
Last year.
Last year mo pa lang ni-start. O yung mga aginaldo mo, dyan mo din nilagay. O mga barya-barya lang yan.
Barya lang.
Barya lang pala yan, guys. So, ayan. Nag-iipon ng kapatid ko, guys. Akala siguro nila, guys, yung gagawin ko pa yung challenge ko dati sa kanila na dodoblihin ko lahat ng pera. Umaasa pa siya. Hindi na mangyayari yun, Kat.
At least ready.
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 Ready siya, ready. Ayan guys, nakapag-empake na kami ngayon. Kinikilo na namin yung mga bagahe namin kung ilang kilo ba sila. So ito 18 kilos daw.
Really?
18 kilos.
Auntie yan pera.
Oh. Ilan niya?
23.
23. 18 plus 23.
It's okay. 18 plus 23. That's also some. No problem in this.
Now this one. Bigyan daw siya iba nila na.
Tumpak may pa ito.
This need to be saved, na?
9, ne? 9.
9. Plus this one, 25. 48.
25.
23 plus 25, 48. So guys, we are going to our resort one last time.
Realize, like, look.
Ayan guys, so ayan yung resort natin. So ngayon baba na tayo. Magpapakita ko sa inyo yung buong resort kasi sa other people are still asking kung ilang rooms, ilang ganyan. So we'll be touring you around. So So, ayan guys, bukas na yung flight namin papunta ng India. So, ngayon, magtutour na tayo ng one last time dito sa resort natin before tayo umuwi. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung buong resort. Let's show them. So, ito yung labas ng resort natin, guys.
That's our nice sign.
Ito yung pinaka-signage namin ng Lane's Private Resort. Tara, pasok tayo. Remove your shoes na lang because we are preparing for the next guest. So, dito nilalagay natin yung mga tarpaulin dyan kasi mainit. Ayan yung ating gazebo.
We have put it because it's very minor and sometimes raining.
Ay, very mainit. Don't make it dirty.
So this is where we do projector. At
Ayan,
night
dito
you
kami
can watch
nagpa-projector.
Netflix and video, okay? By the swimming pool.
Ayan yung swimming pool natin, oh.
And then this is where you can enjoy.
Dito yung gazebo natin.
Right?
Ay, bongga.
By looking at the nice view.
Tingnan. Ay, bongacious.
And then we have JBL's.
Ito. Meron tayong JBL speaker dito.
Bongacious!
Bongacious.
For your karaoke.
Diyan, pwede kayong mag-video.
And then look at the
Ay, bongga.
very good greenery, right?
Ito naman yung kitchen
Where our
natin.
kitchen is. Go.
Pasok tayo.
Pasok tayo.
For our kitchen.
Yes. This is our
Air fryer.
air fryer, rice cooker, jugs, crockery, gas. We have literally everything. We will provide everything, right?
Ayan, kompleto tayo dito.
We have shots.
So, ayan yung kitchen natin. So, ayan guys, iniikot-ikot na natin. Ang ganda ng view, oh. Ang ganda ng langit. So, ito talaga yung ma-appreciate mo ng bonggang-bongga. Look at the sky, Milan.
Bonggang-bongga.
Diba? Ganda. So, pasok na tayo sa 3 cabins. Ayan, oh. May pa-swimming pool dito. Sa likod, guys, meron yung bathroom. Meron toilet. Tapos, ito yung 3 cabins.
It's very good view because the fountain,
Oo.
waterfall.
Sa gabi, sobrang ganda
everything
dito.
is open.
Sobrang aesthetic.
Very aesthetic.
Ayan.
This is,
May fountain dapat na nakabukas. May jacuzzi.
then this is a little garden area for greenery and fresh air. There is a good garden area there also.
Tara, let's show them. Oo. Meron tayong griller.
Yeah, we have greenery. This is the
Garden area.
small garden area for photography and where you can sit.
Ayan. Sit. You can sit right over here.
Smoke
Ay,
if you want.
bongga.
Right? Yeah.
And this one will be showing you the cabins.
So we have 3 cabins, as you can see. 2 small. Pasok.
Pasok po. Pasok.
The lights are not turned on yet, but we will provide towels.
May
Very
towels tayo.
clean. Look, very clean. It's like this every single time.
We are always changing the
Look at.
Lagi nating pinapalitan yung mga yan. And one thing is for sure, you will sleep peacefully in our resort.
Yes. Don't sleep in the resort. Enjoy.
Enjoy.
Sleep at your home.
You will sleep peacefully here, guys, because because maganda yung mga kama. Now, dito naman tayo sa main cabin natin. Same lang siya, Milan. You don't have to open the other small one. Same lang itong big cabin natin. Pinabonghan na kasi natin, baka umalis yung amoy.
Look, guys. Bongacious.
Bongacious.
Look at the chandelier.
Ayan. Ayan yung main cabin natin, guys. Ayan, hi.
And then this is where you can watch
TV.
Netflix
Netflix and
with
chill.
a good quality. See?
So, meron tayong TV dito. Ayan.
This is what I want set up in my home. But it's not possible because our home is old.
Meron tayong dining area dito.
Here we will provide water, cold water and hot water, water dispenser.
Over here guys, meron naman tayong refrigerator. May oven.
Oven, water kettle, and then we have toilet bathroom here.
Ayan, meron tayong banyo guys.
Right?
Toilet and bathroom.
Towel provided everywhere. No problem.
And on top naman, let's go.
Bongos.
Cut tayo sa taas. And on top, ayan
Look,
siya.
this is where you will be sleeping with the view.
Ganda ng view natin.
That's Mount Arayat, if you can see.
Mount Arayat guys.
I think you can see here. Oh, look. Yeah, that one.
With the view of Mount Arayat. Ayan siya. So that's basically
It's
our
not clear
resort.
sky, so you cannot see clearly, but when it's clear sky, you can see clearly Mount Arayat.
Ayan, meron tayong mga towels na provided, mga toothbrush, toothpaste.
There is one more hidden thing which you will not see if you want some privacy and a peaceful mind to do something.
We do something like what?
Smoking. Yeah, please. Here.
Pwede ka mag-picture taking dito.
Yeah, just look at the. You see?
Bongga.
You can just see. Take the picture and relax.
Dar! Uy, Dar!
Kain namin.
Hi, Dar! Hi, Clea! Hindi ka na sinisipon? Sisipon niya?
Hi! Ayan, Dars! Hi! So, ayan, merong binigay si Tito Dikong. Si Tito Dikong ba? Sponsored by Tito Dikong. Ay, grabe. Hindi ko man alam yan.
Ate niya, bisita na.
Iban,
may baby na ako.
Ay, may baby na daw. Oh, Ban. So, nandito si Iban. Ban. Ayan po ang ating sponsor for today. Tito Dikong. O, ayan na. Tito Dikong.
Tara pa, Diyos ko. Hindi na nakakatalon.
Bye-bye. Alis na po ako bukas. Alis na po ako bukas, Tito Dikong. So, ayan. May binigay na pizza, serbet, at saka ice cream. Si Tito Dikong. May pakain. Ay, Dening Dabarkad. So, hi, Jars. Jarel. Jordan. Hello. Jerome. Hi.
Gracias, que la torre kaya, baby.
Ayan. Complete tayo, guys.